Hello, and welcome to our TrackACal training video. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to enter basic animal data into the TrackACal software. You have your new system installed and are anxious to get started. Whether you are working with a small herd or a large one, the first step will be to record the basic animal details and the tag ID into the system. This information will be entered into the Animal Card Identity tab. If you're using one of the many herd management systems that we interface with, the data will be automatically transferred from the management system into the TrackACal software. Your technical advisor will assist with setting up the data exchange. So, with this in mind, we're going to learn how to set up the animal card. The first method, recommended for small herds, is to enter the data directly into the animal card. Before we begin entering the data, we will demonstrate how to set up your herd details so they will become entered automatically into the animal card. From the main menu, click on Modules, then select the first item, Animal Defaults. This will open a pane which allows you to define your herd details. You see Animal Type in the upper left corner. Select the correct animal type for your herd from the pull-down menu. This will determine the default values for your herd details. Continue to select each item that you want to define as the default values and save. These details will now appear automatically on the animal card. The values can be modified on the individual animal card as needed. Next, you can define your herd groups by name and number. The group numbers for the females must be in the range of 1 to 254. Group 255 is reserved for male animals. The group name can be up to 20 characters. From the main menu, go to Modules, select Group Settings from the menu. Click on the green plus to open the Group Settings pane. Add Group. Here we will demonstrate how to enter the group number and name. Save the settings and repeat this procedure for each group on your herd. Now you've completed creating all of the groups and we can proceed to entering the data into the animal card. Now we are ready to enter the data into the Animal Card Identity tab. At the bottom of the animal card is a green plus labeled Add Animal. Click on the plus to open the animal card. An Add Animal pane will open. Select the animal type and gender, then click on the green check. If you have defined your herd values in the animal default, the values will appear on the animal card. The two highlighted yellow fields are mandatory. In order to maximize the benefits of our many activity reports and herd reports, we recommend that you enter as much information as possible, as TrackACal utilizes each detail for the reports. We will begin with the identifiers. Note, the cow ID, pedometer tag ID, and ear tag numbers allow only numbers. No letters can be entered. If your animal ID includes letters, you will need to substitute them with numbers or remove them. It is especially important to enter the correct tag ID number in the field labeled tag number 1. You must also select the correct tag from the field for the tag type. Here, click on the arrow to open the pull-down menu. Select the correct tag type. Now continue to enter the additional details. Next, we will go to the Properties pane. The software includes logic checks to prevent entering inaccurate data. The current date will be entered automatically as the default birth date. However, an incorrect calving date will be blocked if it precedes the birth date. Here we will enter the animal's correct birth date to allow the most recent calving date to be entered. Continue to enter additional details by using the pull-down menus from each field. In the Grouping pane, the numbers and names that you defined in the group settings will appear on the pull-down menu. Assign the animal to the correct group by selecting it from the menu. If no groups have been created, all of the animals will be added to the default group. In the current lactation details, enter the current lactation in the yellow field. 0 is for heifers. If you have entered one or more lactations, you will be prompted to enter the last calving date. Then enter an insemination date if there is one. You will be prompted to enter a pregnancy diagnosis date and a dry-off date. Although the animal may have several lactations, you will be entering only the data from the current lactation. Milking properties will be explained in a later video. When you've completed entering the data, click on the green check on the toolbar below the pane to save. Continue entering all the animals in the herd. Enjoy the benefits of our activity reports, herd reports, and mobile app alerts. Thank you for listening.